potential of your small-scale construction projects with the TYPHON STOMP Mini Skid Steer Loader. TYPHON STOMP Mini Skid Steer Loader key features. 1. Compact design for small projects, specially engineered for small construction projects, ensuring easy maneuverability. Ideal for farms, gardens, public spaces, parks, orchards, and more. 2. Versatile applications, perfect for drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, small excavations, rock breaking, landscaping, or construction purposes. 3. Compact yet tough, features a small but high-performance 21 HP Honda GX 630 engine for smooth functionality. Withstands intensive construction projects without sacrificing performance. 4. User-friendly design, hydraulic four-wheel drive for easy maneuverability. Maximum torque of 48.3 nanometers at 2,500 revolutions per minute ensures efficient operation. TYPHON STOMP Skid Steer Loader, successful mini projects. Our skid steer loader, the TYPHON STOMP, is engineered for small projects, offering easy maneuverability and superior performance. Additional features: skid steer loader tailored for small projects, includes a standard digging bucket, achieves speeds of up to 5 kph, lifting capacity of more than 830 lbs, small but powerful engine, demonstrates outstanding resistance and durability, ensures easy maneuverability, suitable for public spaces, small construction sites, gardens, farms, orchards, municipal works, parks, roads, and landscaping. Excellent solution for drilling, ditch cleaning, trench digging, bulldozing, grabbing, rock breaking, and more. Your construction projects, our commitment. Choose the TYPHON STOMP Skid Steer Loader for your construction endeavors. Crafted for reliability and top-notch performance, our equipment guarantees efficient completion of your projects.